Hello,
Hello.
how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you? How are you today?
Fine.
Okay, very good. You're fine. So, how was your school today, Monkey?
It was not enough of fun
Why?
because I don't have any games.
Oh, that's why you haven't fun for today because you didn't have any games. Ano?
What?
Okay. So you mean you haven't had enough fun because you weren't able to have games at school, right?
Yes.
Oh, so how about the weather? Is it rainy today?
Not. It's windy.
So it's cold.
Yes.
So how about your food? What did you eat for lunch?
Lunch. I
Mm-hmm.
eat rice, meat, and salad.
Okay, wait a minute, monkey.
Bye. He was not and
Okay, so I think we must begin our class for tonight, monkey.
yes.
Okay. Oh wait, there's a yellow box. Wait a minute.
Yo.
Okay, so let's begin.
But what kind of yellow box?
Oh, I saw a yellow box on my computer.
But what kind?
Oh,
What about?
the yellow box says that you must remove your screen here. Hmm. That what's that is what's on the yellow box. You must remove your screen here, it says. Okay. So now, monkey, we are having a speaking activity, okay? All right, so let's begin now. Okay, so look at the picture, monkey, and find the difference, okay? So look at the two pictures and tell me the difference.
The frog on the road, but the rabbit on the road.
Mm-hmm.
The man is standing and the man is sitting, but the man is sitting.
Okay, what else?
The boy has a scarf, but the boy has not have a scarf.
Mm-hmm.
There are two people on the one horse, but there are one people in the one horse.
Okay.
Wait, more.
There's more. I can see more.
What is far, far, far? One, two, three, four. Yeah, only one more. Yes, nothing at all.
What do you think? There's more.
I'm not see anything.
You don't see anything, but I can see. There's three more.
Not one.
Not one. I can see three differences more.
Yeah, three.
Yes, there
What?
are three.
What? Ten.
I can see three more. Oh, wait, monkey, I will show you something. Oh, say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
What is
Hmm?
who?
This is
Who's
my
that?
this is my daughter. Her name is Alicia. Can you say it?
Alexa.
Yeah, but in our house we call her Choi.
And who is the mm,
Can you say monkey? A monkey, can you say Choi?
Choi?
Yeah, that is her name, Choi. Say goodbye now. Goodbye, monkey, you say.
Goodbye, monkey.
This one is my other daughter.
Hi, monkey. Hi.
Her name is Ish.
Ish.
Yeah, okay.
What
She's,
is
uh,
house name?
her house name is Ish.
But a school name?
Her school name is Keisha.
Isha.
Yeah, but her house name is Ish. Okay, you say goodbye to monkey.
Bye, monkey. Bye.
Okay. Okay, so okay, so now let's see your answers, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here suggest there are two children on this horse, but on this horse there is one. Okay, you're correct. Next, girl with straight curly hair, man standing up and sitting down, the frog and the rabbit and the scarf and no scarf. Okay, very good. Because all your answers are also correct. Those are some differences too. Okay, so you got 5 points here, monkey. Wait a minute. Okay, let's put 5. Okay, now let's have some questions here. Where do you like going with your friends, monkey?
To the beach.
To the beach? Why? Why do you like going to the beach with your friends?
I like seashell.
Wow. So when you go to the beach, monkey, you get seashells?
When I went Saturday and Sunday,
Mm-hmm.
went Saturday and Monday, Sunday.
Mm-hmm. So
Only
when it's Saturday and Sunday, you go to the beach, right? Is that what are you saying?
yeah,
Oh, so it means on weekends you go to the beach with your family, right?
yeah.
And then, aside from picking up seashells, what else do you like doing in the beach?
I like sailing on the boat.
Wow, sailing on the boat. You know how to sail a boat? Are you not afraid?
Not
Wow,
boat is big.
you're very brave. Very good. Okay. So how about
How about you?
me? Oh,
How
so
about you?
so the question is where do you like going with your friends, right? So me, teacher likes to go to my friend's house or sometimes here in our house. We just hang out and we sing, we watch movies together. Because teacher is old already, so I just like staying at home. All right. So how about you,
What?
monkey? Where do you like going with your friends?
To the beach.
Oh, aside from the beach, what place where else do you like going with your friends?
Park.
A park. Wow. So what do you do in the park?
Slide.
Slide. And then
And then swinging,
Swinging, slide, and then?
a pool of balls.
Oh, full of balls?
Yes.
Wow, do you have it there?
Yes.
Wow, that's so enjoying. You have to go to the big pool full of balls, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
And
Uh,
trampoline.
Trampoline, you jump and jump and jump.
Yes.
Oh, are you not dizzy?
Um,
Are you happy in playing trampoline?
what?
Are you happy when you play trampoline?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. So when you go to the trampoline, you can jump very, very high, right?
Yes.
Oh, very good. Next one. What sport do you like best?
Or
What sport do you like best?
football.
Football? Oh, why do you like playing football?
Because it's the best name for my my game, and I know how it.
Oh, so you like football because you know how to play it.
Yes.
How about chess? You said you really like playing chess, right? That is also a sport.
Yes.
So which one do you like best? Football or chess?
Chess.
Oh, chess. Okay, very good. Next one, Monkey. What clothes do you like to wear?
A t-shirt.
And then
Jeans.
t-shirt and jeans, right? Why do you like
Yes.
wearing them?
Because they're good for to this
They
displays.
Okay. So you mean you are comfortable when you wear t-shirt and jeans, right? You're comfortable. Okay, very good. Next one. Finally, tell me something about your favorite food, Monkey. What's your favorite food?
It's rice, fish, meat, spaghetti, watermelon, mango, grape, what else more?
Do you like chocolates too?
None.
No? So you like,
They're yummy, but they're not good.
yeah, they're yummy, but they're not good for your health. It's too sweet, right?
Yes.
How about candies? Do you like eating candies?
Not.
Not also. Why? Why don't you like it?
It's not healthy.
It's not healthy. Okay, very good. So why do you like eating spaghetti, fries, and hamburger? Did you say hamburger?
Not.
You said fries, spaghetti. Okay, why do you like eating fries and spaghetti?
Because I like it.
Because you like it. Okay, very good. Okay, so now Monkey, look at the picture. There are 4 pictures and now you have to tell a story about it, okay? So picture number 1, tell something about it, Monkey.
Okay.
Well,
James is a clown.
mhm.
He's protecting to the kids, and some kids to see them.
Mm-hmm.
So now James was too sleepy. He
Mm-hmm.
went to bed, and the party was end.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
James put the um something on the tree. When James was go when James was 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 wake up, it was too late.
Mm-hmm.
James James need to quickly use the clothes.
Mm-hmm.
So James go to downstairs. Hello, says Nick. Hello,
Mm-hmm.
hello, James, said Mom. Go to school. Okay, Mom.
And what happened to his pants?
Pants
Yeah, to his pants. What happened?
and his pants was not correct.
Yes. So he went to school with wearing the pants that is not correct. Okay, so now let us see, monkey. So here, it's Ben's sister's birthday party. Ben's wearing a clown clothes. His sister and her friends think he's funny. Okay, very good, monkey. So now let's have this activity. Okay, which picture is wrong in number 1?
A book.
Okay, why do you think it's wrong?
Because they're not a fruit.
It's not a fruit. Number 2, which one is wrong?
Sword.
Okay, picture 4. Why is it wrong, monkey?
Because they're writing, but she are drawing.
Okay, good. How about number 3?
Um. Yellow.
What's that? What's that object?
Toothbrush.
Okay, toothbrush. So why do you think it's correct?
They're red.
Okay, because
But
okay.
not. But he has red, yellow.
Okay, because all the pictures are red, but the toothbrush is color yellow. Okay, how about number 4, monkey? Which one here is different?
4.
Number 4, which one is different?
4.
Look at the picture carefully. Which one there is different and why?
And 4 picture.
4th picture is your answer?
Yes.
Okay, it's picture number 3. Why do you think this is the answer?
I don't know.
Because 1, 2, and 4 are not picture of an animal, okay? Okay, so you got 3 points here, monkey. Okay, so we're finished in the first part. Okay, wait for me. I'm going to open one more. Okay, are we finished with this one, Monkey, or not yet?
Finished.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Oh, I think not. Oh, wait, I'm going to check on it. Yeah, I think we are finished. Okay, so I have to change it. Wait for me. Okay, okay. Okay, so again, we are having speaking activity. Okay, now, Monkey, again, look at the two pictures and tell me the differences.
The boy is kicking the ball, but the boy is holding the ball.
Okay, that's one.
There are 2 trees, but there are 3 trees.
Okay, that's
the girl
two.
has a long hair, but the girl has a short hair.
Three.
This picture has a bird, but there not have a bird.
Okay.
There's a panda, but there's a kangaroo. It's
Okay.
the end.
So you said five differences. Okay, now let us see. Okay, suggest. Here are 2 trees, but there are 3 trees. Okay, next one. The girl is long and short hair. Panda and kangaroo. Bird, no bird. And kicking and holding a ball. Okay, good job, Monkey. So you have said it all correct. Okay. So now, Monkey, let's talk about your weekend. Question number 1. Where do you usually go on weekend, Monkey? To the park. Okay, and then what do you do there?
Play trampoline, swing, jump into the big pool of ball,
Mm-hmm.
and slide.
Okay, so where is that? Is that in the park?
Yes.
Oh, so when do you go? So when you have to go to the park, Monkey, do you have to pay?
Yes.
Or do you have to pay going to the park, or is it free? Or what?
What?
Do you have to pay so that you can enter the park, or is it free?
Free.
Oh, it's free, really?
Really?
Oh, that's nice because here, some parks here in the Philippines, you have to pay so that you can enter in, while other parks are free. Okay, so next one, Monkey. What games do you play at the weekend?
I jump into the big pool of ball and slide in a big tall slide.
Mm-hmm. So when you play to the pool of balls, do you have your playmate with you or your friend?
Playmate.
Okay, playmate. So where does your playmate live, Monkey? Is he your neighbor? Is he living near your house?
Not.
Oh,
Is live in the city.
he lives in the city. Okay. So, who do you play with? What's the name of your playmate?
Him A.
Kim?
Him A.
Kim A. Okay, Kim A. So now, Monkey, tell me something about the things that you like to do at the weekend.
I like play chess.
What's that again? Play jacks? Chess. Play chess.
Swimming pool.
Swimming
With
pool.
lots of water.
Okay, and why do you like playing chess on weekends, Monkey?
Because they're nice and I want to play it.
Because they're nice and you want to play. Okay. So how about swimming in the swimming pool? Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay,
They're
so
so cool and
so
hot.
cool. So cool and hot. Okay, so why do you like it?
Because the sunny day is so hot.
Okay,
And we
because the sunny day is
and
so
we
hot.
need water.
Okay, and then we need to drink a glass of water because it's too hot. Okay, wait a minute, Monkey. Wait for me.
Bye. See what? No, it was that. Tell you, Joey. What are you doing, dear? Bye bye. See you. Bye. What are you doing? Imposter X. Who's sus?
Okay, I just went to the restroom. Okay, now, Monkey, let's continue. So, tell me more things that you like to do on weekend. Oh, aside from playing chess and swimming, what else do you like doing on weekend?
Go to my friend's house play.
Go to your friend's house to play, right?
Go to the beach.
And go to the beach. Okay, so you really like swimming. Ah, that's nice. Okay, so let's go to the next one, Monkey. Okay, so again, there are 4 pictures that you can see. Now, tell me a story about it. Okay, wait. Let's start with this one, okay? So here is the story. The girls are painting. In the living room, mom's helping them and their baby brothers watching them. Okay, so now continue the story. What do you think happened next?
When the mom is studying, the 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 the, the telephone is ringing.
Okay, so the telephone is ringing and then?
Then the baby crawled to the wall.
The baby crawled to the wall, okay, and then?
Click the wall.
Okay, so the baby crawled to the wall and then? What else happened?
Look, mom. The girl said, "Oh my God." Oh, said mom.
Okay, continue. So what happened to picture number 3?
Baby,
The baby what?
you know.
Look at it very carefully. Okay, so again, picture number 1. The mother is there, and then the 2 girls are painting, right? So number 2, what happened? What happened in picture number 2?
Here. Here.
So picture number 2, the sisters are still painting and then the mom answered the telephone call. So while the mom is talking to somebody in the telephone, the baby crawled and then he got a stick or a paintbrush and then he painted on the wall. So the sisters didn't notice it. So what happened next is the mom was shocked or surprised because she saw the baby painting into their wall. And then the sisters are surprised too. Okay? All right. Wait a minute. My camera is moving. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now let's continue, Monkey. Look at the pictures again. Now tell me which is the different one.
Book.
Okay, a book. Why is a book your answer?
Because they're not a fruit.
It's not a fruit, of course. Very good. How about number 2?
A towel.
Wait a minute. Okay, again, monkey, which one is your answer? Number 2?
Towel.
A towel. Okay, why is this your answer?
Because then the shoes, the bag, and the t-shirt were dirty.
Of course. So the shoes, the bicycle, and the t-shirt was dirty. And the towel is
Clean.
clean. Very good. Okay, number 3, which one is different?
The horse.
The horse. Okay, why is the horse your answer?
Because they're not a car.
Okay, because picture 1, 2, and 3 are pictures of a car. Okay, very good. Number 4, monkey, monkey.
A home.
A home. Picture 4. Okay, why is this your answer?
Because they're not at different place.
Because they're
And not at different place.
okay, because they are not at a different place. Okay, that is correct. Very good. All right, so we're finished with the 2 activities, monkey. So I have to open one more. We have 7 minutes left, okay?
Okay?
Okay, wait for me because I'm fixing my computer. It's moving. Oh, see? It's moving. Oh, everything is moving. I have to fix it. Oh, wait for me. I will open one more lesson. Okay, okay. Wait for me. Wait for me. Can you sing a song first, monkey, while I'm opening?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
I want the song that you sang for me on Vietnamese Teachers Day.
Vietnamese Teachers Day.
Yeah. What's that song that you sang for me? Can I hear it one more time?
Take away the fake. Right, it's a rainy day. Take it still before you can go away. Don't hide yourself in a corner. You have my place to stay.
Continue.
It's gonna say goodbye. Open stop, you see the happy sunshine. Keep going. Your dream, chasing tomorrow's sunrise. The spirit can never die. My friend, oh, let you cry, my dear. Seeing you shed a tear in my world disappear. You never be alone. In darkness, see my smile. My friend, we are with you. Holding hands. You have got to believe you are my destiny. Moment to be your friend. That's what a friend should be.
Wow, that's a nice song. Very good, monkey. Okay, wait a minute. It's still opening. So where did you learn that song, Monkey?
A telephone.
Huh?
A telephone.
Telephone?
Yes.
So you learned that song on a telephone?
Yes.
Why? Why on a telephone?
Because my computer is not good.
Oh, so you learned it on a telephone?
Yes.
Really? Well, that's a nice song. What's the title of that song, Monkey? What's the title of that song?
Shine Friends.
Shine Friends. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so now, Monkey, let's have listening part 1. Listen and draw lines. There is one example. Okay, so listen carefully, Monkey.
Wait,
Why?
because the lesson is really good now.
Are we finished with this one?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, but here in my notebook, it's not written yet. Okay, wait, I'm gonna check on it. Okay, sing one more song, please, Monkey. While I'm opening another one.
Love in your eyes, sitting silent by my side, going on, holding hands, walking through the night. Hold me up, hold me tight, lift me up to touch the sky, teaching me to love with heart, helping me open my eyes. I can fly. I'm proud that I can fly to give the best of mine till the end of the time. But with me, I can fly. I'm proud that I can fly to give the best of mine. In the sky.
Very good. Strawberry knows it too. Do you know it's strawberry? You know it, strawberry? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's wait a minute. It's still opening. Okay, so you were able to sing. So can you dance? One dance, Monkey? While we are opening our lesson, can you dance a little bit? Do you know how to dance?
Not
Not. Why not?
because I don't love dance.
Oh, but you sing really good, Monkey. I like how you sing. So how about Strawberry? Strawberry, do you know how to dance?
Oh, that is it.
Strawberry, do you know the song Baby Shark? You know what, Strawberry? Baby shark, toot 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 toot, baby shark, toot 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 toot, baby shark, toot 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 toot, baby shark. You know what, Strawberry? Mommy shark, toot 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 toot, mommy shark, toot 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 toot, mommy shark, toot 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 toot, mommy shark. You know, teacher knows that song too. Okay. Oh, all right. So it's still downloading. Well, anyway, I think we must continue this one again, Monkey, on Wednesday. Oh, Strawberry singing. Let's sing Strawberry. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! You clap, Strawberry. Clap. Yay! Okay. So good night now, Monkey and Strawberry.
Bye.
See you again on Wednesday.